Hello everyone, so this is Dinesh again. So in this video I am going to show you like how to design a blogging website initially. So the one which you are seeing right now is a UAE business blog. So this is a new domain which we have registered recently, and I am going to build this as a blogging website targeting United Arab Emirates and the business related keywords over there. So in this video I will show you like how I am just completely designing this blog. You can see this is a fresh website. So so already I have picked the theme. So this is a paid theme. So since I'm going to build it as a proper premium blogging website, so I'm using the proper theme. So this is the theme which I have picked. The main reason I'm choosing this theme is this: it's more modern, and also it's more fast and responsive. So this is the main reason I'm going for this particular theme. So you can, in this screen you can see there are different pre-built websites, pre-built blogging websites which this theme provides you. So right now I'm just going to use this as a import this demo over here. So this is not a big complicated task, especially if you are a new blogger or if you are new to blogging. Like within like 5 to 10 minutes you can just completely change this website into like this appearance just by importing the demo. So in this video I will show you like how to import the demo and how to do the basic setup. So actually I have already purchased this theme. I have the license and everything. So right now I'm just going to this log into the WordPress dashboard, and I'm just going to import the theme. So it's a process is simple. Under appearance, like you can just click on themes and upload the theme which you have bought. So I'm just clicking on this upload option. So I have the theme file here already. This is the paid theme. So I'm just clicking on install now. So the main thing is that you need to put the license key properly and activate it. Even you can find lot of cracked versions online, but I would not recommend to use the cracked theme because there are lots of chance like your website may be hacked due to the files over in that cracked theme. So I always recommend you to go for the paid version, because it's not a matter to buy a theme, because it's worth it rather than going for a cracked version. So now this theme is imported activated now. So now you can just see the screen. You can see the look is different now, but still we need to import the demo. So this is the demo which I am planning to import over here. So to import the demo you need to activate the theme. So let me go to theme file and activate this. So I would like to cut this version since I am putting the license key. So now the theme is activated. Now what you need to do is that to make the website function like this, you need some basic plugins for the theme to function properly. So for this, under themes there will be a separate option called plugins. So go there and you need to install all these plugins now. So I'm just clicking on bulk install now, because without these plugins the configuration can't be complete and the theme can't look like this. So for that we need to implement those install and activate these plugins. So I have just installed, and the main thing to note is that if you are planning to design such themes, you need to do it before start publishing the blogs, because once you started publishing then it may override the contents. So it's always best to do it in the fresh site and confirm the design and everything before start publishing the content. So now the basic plugins are installed. So now I'm just going to click on refresh. So now I'm just going to activate all these plugins. Yeah. So now you can see that like after activating you could able to see a lot of new functionalities. You can see there are a lot of new functionalities added in the left side with more options. So what I'm going to do is that now I'm just going to import the demo, like this particular demo. So importing the demo is very simple. So under appearance, like themes, you can see there is an option called import demo. This option was not available earlier. The reason is that the theme plugins were not installed. But since now after installing the theme plugins, this option is available now. So I'm just going to click on import data. So under that you can see the different demo which is available here to import. So this is the particular demo which I would like to import, since this looks more attractive and user friendly. So here you can see this is the particular demo which is similar to this, the same demo. So I'm just clicking on import data. You can see like the warning says like everything will be overwritten. In case, for example, if you have the contents already previously published like 5 to 10 blogs, then all the blogs will be overwritten with the demo content. So it's always recommended to like design the theme before start publishing the blogs in the website. So I'm just going to click on continue and import. So it will take like few minutes, maybe like 5 to 10 minutes depending upon the theme size and the file. So let's wait until the demo gets imported. So now the import is complete. You can see the message, it clearly displays the import is complete, but still it shows some errors on logo and other files. But let's check how the preview loads now. So now I'm just going back to this browser. I'm just clicking on refresh. This is the whole screen. Yeah, this is amazing. Like even if it shows some errors, you can see like already the site is loading with proper demo data. So you can see like this is the demo which I have interested to import, and I have bought the theme, and within single click, like after installing the basic plugins, this site is already loading properly with the demo. Still few things to configure in this theme, but at the moment, like within 5 to 10 minutes of time, this is loading properly. There is no like interface is very fine. I'm just clicking on a post. You can see everything looks fine, but still like moving forward, like we need to update the logo and update the theme and names, everything as per the domain name which we have registered. But still you may have the question like, what about these demo contents? Anyway, these are the plagiarized, these are the old contents which theme provides. So to avoid the SEO impact on these demo contents, you need to make sure like these demo contents are not indexed by Google. So for that, like what you can do is that you can just go to the plugin section, and you can install like no index plugin, like bulk no index plugin, and make sure like these demo contents are not indexed. So I'm just going to add new and search for like bulk no index plugin. So there is a plugin, and you can use that and select the post which you need not want to index. So you need to make sure like these spam contents are not indexed, because you can publish new blogs later. You can just remove these old contents. So I'm just installing this plugin. Now this plugin is activated. So straight away what I'm just going to do is that under settings you will have that option. Yeah, you can under tools you can see bulk no index no follow. So you can go here, and you need to make sure like all these dummy contents are not indexed. So you can just go to posts, and you can just bulk select these posts and add no index. So you can see this no index thing is applied. Same thing you need to apply for pages as well. So I'm just going to click on thing and click on add no index. So like after publishing like 20 to 30 blogs under your name, like your fresh contents, then you can just delete these old posts and pages and update the categories, so that your new content will start appearing here. So after that what you can do is that you can delete these dummy contents, and you can remove this no index plugin. So after that the site will be properly indexed and everything will be fine. So hopefully I hope like this particular video, if you are new to blogging, you have learned like how to install a new blogging theme and make your website look beautiful. So this is the theme which I have used. Even I will drop the link to this theme in the comment section. You can have a look. So this is how like you can just build a blog in an easy way, especially if you are a new blogger. So if you have any questions regarding this theme or regarding the blog configuration, you can just drop it in the comments, and I will cover those things in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.